All right, you are welcome again. All right, let's take a look at this question. Find the derivative of the function y is equal to 10 raised to power 10 raised to power x. Okay, we are asked to find the derivative, the dy dx of this function. Y is equal to 10 raised to power 10 raised to power x. All right, please, it's very simple. Follow me gradually. Let's take it step by step. All right, now let's go. The first step, we're going to say let's take the natural log of both sides. Let's take the ln of both sides. Okay, so here we're going to have ln y is equal to ln 10 raised to power 10 raised to power x. Okay, so in the law of indices or the law of logarithm, since ln is logarithm, okay, so whatsoever be the power after the base, we take it down. So the base here is 10, and then the power is 10 raised to power x. Okay, so we bring down 10 raised to power x behind the ln. Okay, so here we have ln y is equal to 10 raised to power x. Okay, ln 10. Here we are going to differentiate properly. So we find the derivative of the right hand side and find the derivative of the left hand side. Now, starting from the left hand side, the derivative of ln y, we are going to find the derivative of ln y as if it is ln x. Okay, and then because it is y, which is implicit, we multiply by dy dx. Okay, so here the derivative of ln y is going to give us 1 all over y dy dx, okay, equal to, coming to the right hand side where we have 10 raised to power x ln 10. Okay, here we are going to apply product rule. We find the derivative of 10 raised to power x, then we multiply by ln 10, and then find the derivative of ln 10, then multiply by 10 raised to power x. Okay, now let's do so. We are going to say let u equal to 10 raised to power x. Let's find the derivative of 10 raised to power x. Okay, now let's take a look at it as a function. Let's say u equal to 10 raised to power x, and then if we want to find the derivative of this function, first of all we say let's take the ln of both sides. Taking the ln of both sides, we have ln u is equal to ln 10 raised to power x. As usual, we bring the exponent or the power down. So here we're going to have ln u is equal to x ln 10. Okay, yes. Now here we find the derivative of ln u, which is going to give us 1 all over u du dx. Okay, equal to the derivative of x ln 10. We find the derivative of x, multiply by ln 10, plus find the derivative of ln 10, multiply by x. Okay, now let's go. The derivative of x is 1, then multiply by ln 10 is going to give us ln 10, and then the derivative of ln 10 is what? Is 0, because it's just a number, it's just a constant. Okay, so here that means we have 1 all over u du dx is equal to ln 10. Hello, is equal to what? Ln 10. Now let's clear this 1 all over u from our left hand side, because we are actually looking for du dx. So let's multiply both sides by u. So multiplying both sides by u, that means we have du dx is equal to u ln 10. But you recall that u is 10 raised to power x. Let's bring it back. So here we have du dx is equal to 10 raised to power x ln 10. Okay, now let's go back. In this place we have ln y is equal to 10 raised to power x ln 10. You know, we want to apply product rule. We find the derivative of 10 raised to power x multiplied by ln 10, okay, of which we just found the value for the derivative of 10 raised to power x. Okay, now going with that, now here we have 10 raised to power x ln 10 multiplied by ln 10, okay, plus When we find the derivative of ln 10, it is 0. Then multiply by 10 raised to power x, 0. Okay? Because ln 10 is just a number, is a constant. Alright? And the derivative of a constant is 0. Now let's go. Here we have 1 all over y dy dx is equal to 10 raised to power x. You know, in this place we have ln 10 multiplied by ln 10. What is going to give you ln squared 10? Okay, ln 10 multiplied by ln 10 is going to give you square of it. Okay, so here we have ln squared 10. All right, good. So here we have 1 all over y dy dx is equal to 10 raised to power x ln squared 10. From the left hand side, let's clear the 1 all over y by multiplying both sides by y. So in doing so, we are going to have dy dx is equal to y 10 raised to power x ln squared 10. But you recall from the beginning that y is equal to 10 raised to power 10 raised to power x. We bring it back. So bringing it back, we are going to have dy dx is equal to 10 raised to power 10 raised to power x. All right, multiply by 10 raised to power x, multiply by ln squared 10. All right, yes. So finally, the derivative of y is equal to 10 raised to power 10 raised to power x is giving us 10 raised to power 10 raised to power x, 10 raised to power x ln squared 10. All right, yes. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not. Keep watching. Stay blessed.